Building code updates are actively reshaping what a roof loss actually costs, and underwriters who haven't mapped their book to current ICC adoption cycles could actually be underpricing that exposure. Building code alignment has become a central factor in both legitimate replacement costs and fraudulent claim inflation. The International Code Council, or ICC, continues to update the International Residential Code, or IRC, and International Building Code, or IBC, with roofing provisions related to wind resistance, underlayment, fastening schedules, and re-roofing requirements. Fastening schedules are standardized requirements for the type, size, and spacing of fasteners required to secure roofing components to a building's structural frame. These updates influence ordinance and law triggers and replacement scope, especially in jurisdictions that adopt newer code cycles. Ordinance and law triggers occur when a covered loss produces a legal code-based requirement to upgrade, alter, or replace even undamaged parts of the roof. Updated codes could also call for enhanced wind resistance, ice barrier underlayment, or fire-rated assemblies in wildfire zones. These requirements usually increase the cost of the claim. Fraudulent contractors often exploit homeowner unfamiliarity with these provisions by misrepresenting code requirements or claiming that full replacement is mandated when only partial repair is warranted depending on the municipality. Insurers have responded with higher premiums and stricter underwriting rules. The feedback loop we've just described, more storms driving more contractor activity, driving more questionable claims, compounds every time a jurisdiction adopts a new code before your underwriting guidelines catch up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to MSO Insurance Education on YouTube for more relevant topics built for P&C professionals, and visit msonet.com to explore MSO's full range of services.